Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here, and again, I'm back with our Forex weekly preview. In this video, we release it every Sunday or Monday, and we basically go through, 3 to 5 Forex charts, and I do a little bit of technical analysis to give you guys a good idea of some possible trade opportunities that I'll be looking at throughout the week. So let's jump right into it. So the first pair I've got open here is US dollar JPY, which is something that I'm looking at right now for the reason that price has broken, the 500 or the 1,000-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. So the fact that it's broken the 1,000-day moving average has got me interested. And then if you go back to the 500-day moving average, of course, it's broken that as well if it's broken the 1,000. So we had a pretty aggressive bearish push down. So right now I'm looking for a retracement. Probably not quite back up into structure, because if we draw out our Fibonacci retracement, that would be a really strong retracement. That's like a 76% retracement. I'm not quite expecting it to get up there, or even 100% retracement for that matter if you started there. But if you drew it from up here, you're looking at about that 70% retracement, which I don't think it'll get there. I'll be looking to get involved if I see a retracement around the 61.8 on the 4-hour chart. I'll then tune down to the smaller time frame and start looking for opportunities. So let's pop over to our USD Canadian dollar, another chart that we spend a lot of time on. And then right here, we've got price making all-time highs right now, which is something that we typically do not like to trade, because if you look left, there's no structure. It's just no man's land over there. From our analysis last week, price did exactly what we expected it to do. It continued to push up into our uptrend. And, if you got into some long positions there, you probably benefited on some of these pullbacks into structure. You could have got involved right there. Even down here, you could have got involved. But again, all-time highs, I'm staying pretty clear of it. Let's pop over into Euro USD. Go on our 4-hour chart. We're still, pretty range bound right now for Euro USD. We did see some pretty strong bullish action last week. Got us up into the 500 moving average on the 4-hour chart on a higher time frame. So we should have been looking for short opportunities at that point, expecting that resistance to bounce off of there. We've got a pretty aggressive bearish push right here. Me personally, on the 4-hour chart on the longer time frame, I'm expecting a pullback probably into the 38.2 or 50% retracement on the 4-hour chart, in which at that point I'll come down into the 30-minute chart and start looking for entries at that point. In terms of news, it's a holiday week, so that's something else that I want to talk about right now. Is with everything being a holiday week, it wouldn't be the worst idea to just take this week off. Markets are known to do some crazy things during holiday weeks. For the most part, they're flat, but it can be some things that are pretty unpredictable. The only thing that I see on the radar this week is unemployment claims come out, which, that's an event that, we're always aware of. So that, and then we've got consumer confidence, which is always red, but I typically don't see a lot of movement in the market when this news event comes out. So those are the only two things that I've seen on my radar. There'll be a couple days after Christmas on the 27th. So those are the only things that really caught my eye. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick Forex preview, some opportunities that I may be looking at and some things that I was looking to stay out of. Also just give you guys a heads up on, any news events that, I may have my eye on as well. So I wish you guys, happy holidays, spend a lot of time with your family, enjoy yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next Forex preview.